Welcome to all the students for the very first video lecture on the subject Indian economic environment. First of all, I welcome all the students to the third year BCom, and in this particular year you are going to study six different papers for semester 5 and another six papers for semester 6. So out of the six papers of semester 5, the two papers are related with the economic subject. The first paper entitled Indian Economic Environment. It is the subject which is related with economics, and then another subject, Cooperative Development in India. It is also related with the subject economics. In your earlier classes, that is in your BCom first, semester second, you studied the paper of economics under the title Business Economics paper first and Business Economics paper second. That is the microeconomics you studied in your first year 2 semesters. Then in the second year, under the title Business Economics paper 3, Business Economics paper 4, you studied the macroeconomics. In the same year, that is in second year, you also studied another paper which is related with economics, that is banking and financial institutions. So in your earlier classes, that is in your BCom first year, BCom second year, you studied some papers which are related with economics, microeconomics, macroeconomics, and banking and finance. In these earlier years, while studying these papers under the title of business economics and banking, you came across the concepts. You studied the concepts like what is meant by market, what is demand, what is supply, what is utility, what is meant by consumption, what is investment, what are the factors of production, what is production process. These all are the concepts which all of you studied in your earlier classes. Apart from that, you studied various banking and financial institutions, functioning of banking, modern technology of banking, and many more concepts which are related with the banking. These all are the concepts, these all are the theories which already you have studied under economics. So now, in the year BCom third year, you are going to study two papers which are related with economics, as I already mentioned. The first paper is the paper Indian Economic Environment. Here you can see the title on the screen. And second paper is Cooperative Development. For the semester 5 and semester 6, I am going to teach you the paper on Indian Economic Environment. The title of the paper is Indian Economic Environment paper first for semester 5th and Indian Economic Environment paper second for semester 6th. The objective of this paper Indian Economic Environment is to acquaint the students the current scenario of Indian economy, current changes, what are the changes which are going on in an economy, in our economy, in order to understand the process of Indian economy, in order to understand the changing process of our economy, one should learn, one should study, one should understand the paper on Indian economy. Once you understand the economic environment of India, then you are in a position to understand the development process of our country, why our country is developing why it is not a developed countries like America and other economies. What is the difference between our economy and the economy of other countries? Recently, in the era of globalization, we came across and we used to do comparison our economy with the other economies of the world. Now, recently, we used to compare our economy with Chinese economy, American economy, economy of Japan, economy of England, and other countries. So, what is the difference between our economy and economy of other countries? In comparison with the global economy, how the Indian economy is different and what is the place of our Indian economy in the global economy, why our economy is developing, on what path the development process of our country is going on, what is the status of agriculture, what is the status of industry, what are the problems, major problems and challenges we are facing in our economy, what is our relationship, economic relationship with other countries of the world, with neighboring countries, what is our relationship with the other European countries, countries of Asia, countries of Europe. What sort of relationship does we have with other countries, what is the status of our development, why we are developing country, why we are not developed. These all are the questions which came across while we are studying the various concepts of economics. So in this particular paper, Indian economic environment, we are going to study all the aspects of our economy, just whichever the aspects now which I mentioned in my lecture. Why we are developing, why we are not developed, what is the status of Indian economy in global economy, what is foreign direct investment, what is globalization, liberalization, privatization, what are the challenges the Indian economy is facing. These all are the aspects of our Indian economy that we are going to study in this paper under the title Indian Economic Environment. In this particular fifth semester, Indian Economic Environment paper 1, we are going to study the very first initial uh, chapter, initial unit, the nature of economy. In the second unit, we will study the status of Indian agriculture. In the third unit, we will study the status of Indian industries or the current scenario of Indian industrial development. And at the last, in fourth unit, we will discuss the challenges or problems which the Indian economy is facing. So in this way, in this particular fifth semester, under the title of Indian Economic Environment, paper 1, we will study these 4 units just which I mentioned. So in this particular lecture, we are going to discuss the syllabus of Indian Economic Environment. The syllabus just I mentioned is divided in 4 different units. The first unit is related with the basics of Indian economy or basic characteristics of Indian economy. The second unit is related with Indian agriculture. Third unit is related with Indian industries. And fourth unit is related with the challenges of Indian economy or problems of Indian economy. So in this particular lecture, as a part of an introduction, I mentioned the background of the economics which you have studied in your earlier classes and what we are going to study, we are going to discuss in this particular semester. In the next lecture, I will explain or I will give a brief overview of our syllabus which we are going to discuss in coming 2 or 3 months. Thank you very much.